From the dawn of time, jabronis have entered into nature to catch wild critters and then release them, because that's just the right thing to do. These are 3 more of those yahoos. Stick around to the very end to see if the nature force catches this snake.
Hey you guys, it's JoJo Siwa, but little Zozo.
Oh my gosh, I thought my daughter was in the car, but no, it's JoJo Siwa. Little mini JoJo. Hey girl, hey.
I'm 5 years old.
Just 5 years old, little old baby. Hey Griff man. Grifty butt.
That's my brother.
Can you say hi?
His name isn't Griff and he's my brother. Hi.
Where are we going, Griff?
He's my mini brother. Snake hunt.
Snake hunt. We believe that we're going to the snakiest park in New Jersey. We have had a park ranger confirm this belief. So we're hype because we're going to try and catch a snake. Let's see what happens, folks. Definitely not what we were planning on today. Not where we thought we would end up. But we make it happen. And come here, Griffy. Our snake hunt might turn into a bear hunt, right, Griff?
Huh?
Yeah. It says, attention, bears active in this area. Do not approach them. If you encounter a bear, don't run. Approach them with open arms and hug. Ah, let's do this. Definitely some okay snake territory. You can see him out there sunning on a nice hot morning. Poppy, you're fine. What is it? All right. Turn this log over. And what you really got, these logs are just super decayed. Hold on. What's this? Yeah, we do have a little spider there. Fascinating looking. Does she have her eggs on her back? She's got her babies on her back. Oh my goodness. She or he, I'll look this species up for you guys, but the babies are on her back. At that. Okay. I hope you're getting a good shot of that guy. He's super cool. Poppy, are you comfortable with me catching him with my hand? You want to look at him?
Only if he's not a bear.
He's not at all. Very docile. Musked on me immediately. So you'll see that on my hand that he's got his little musk there.
I was hoping it was a cockroach.
Not a cockroach at all. Want to give him a pet? Anybody want to pet him real gently? You're fine. You're fine. He's not going to do anything. It's just a beetle. They're very calm.
He pooped on you.
Yeah, yeah. He did. He had that little poop on me. He had a nice pancake poop on me. There you go, bud. Nobody's gonna hurt you. What a cool guy. All right, have a good day, sir. Hey, Poppy, smell my hand now. Give it just a sniff, just a little sniff. You don't have to get too close. Just get...
Smells good.
No, it smells. Smell it. You think so?
It's like Doritos.
Huh?
It's like
Griffey, do you want to smell my hand? Smell Daddy's hand?
looks like some.
Well, I'll let you know.
It smells like some.
It smells absolutely disgusting.
It's for some reason it smells like some of my Subway chips that I ate.
Some of your Subway chips? I think it smells like some concentrated poop. Folks, and we made it back to the car in one piece. check this out, folks. Got a little snail. I caught him underwater. That's where he lives. You want to see him, Pop Stop? Alright, there you go, bud. Check him out. Gotta hold him. Alright, real gentle. Put him back. When you're done, we have a catch and release policy, right? Cool snail, right? Catch and release them. Look, you see clamshells everywhere. And I just dug down. And you will see I came up with 4, actually, oh my gosh, quite a few live clams. So here, let's take just one of these. Get a good look. He is not gonna come out, I don't think, to show us. If he did come out, it would just look like a little tongue waggling at us. But that's good, that means this is probably a pretty clean lake. What are we looking for?
Snake?
Show it to us. Show us the snake.
Snake hunt.
Snake hunt. All right, look what we found, folks. Kids, gather around, take a look at this. Poppy, what do you think that is?
A part of a beehive.
A part of a beehive is a great guess. This is probably actually a home for wasps or hornets.
There are hornets around here?
This is probably wasps, is my... Hey, Pop Stop, we are here. These cattails would be water snake country. So we might get down there in a minute. He is, he's just rolling today. I don't really know what his goal is. Finally caught one thing here today at Wawayanda. Lovely frog. Oh! And he jumped on Poppy. We caught him, but we couldn't keep him. He is... And then as we're catching these frogs on my foot, you've got a dragonfly.
Spider dragonfly! Spider dragonfly!
All right, and a little history mixed in with our biology, the Wawayanda Ironworks here. All right, one of the park rangers directed us to this stream where she told us we should be able to find some crawdads, and I am super hopeful we'll go down to the crawdad hole. Poppy's like me, she has a song for absolutely everything. All right, and our kindly park ranger was not lying. There's the first crawdad right there, and I'm gonna get in and give it the old catch. And there we go. Easy as pie. I'm about ready to get pinched. Let's get her on the rocks for a minute, where she's a little more controllable. And now I'm gonna get a better hold on her.
What do you say, kids? Let's use this water camera to get a better idea of what these crawdads are doing down there.
As you can see, they crawl along the bottom, but when they want to escape you, they flip that powerful tail and swim backwards. We saw this guy, he was saying, where'd the frog go? So we got a little frog here as well. He saw that guy, spotted him. Mr. Frog. Catch and release, Poppy. Here.
Do you guys know frogs?
Cutie, Poppy, you want to try to hold him?
Do you guys know
Get down, why don't you get down on your, get down, squat down.
Do you guys know
Put your hands out.
Well, I'm trying to tell them something.
Okay.
You guys, do you know that frogs have teeth on the upper jaw?
I'm gonna touch him. You touch his eye, he's blinking. Okay.
Get him! No!
What about camouflage? Look at this little guy right here. Totally blended into that rock. So found a snake. Don't know if I can catch him, but there he is. That's his head peeking out. Totally aware of me, but he was just standing there, still as can be. This is a pretty classic little guy. Oh, Griffey. All right. Don't even really care if we catch him or not. Just want you guys to see him. Okay, he's going back down in the rock, which is not where I was expecting him to go. All right. He is sneaky. We were outsmarted by the snake at every turn. All right, we got a slightly bigger guy with slightly better coloration. Yeah, touch his tail.
I'm scared, don't get him.
I got him, he won't hurt. Touch it again. Just from behind like that. There you go. That's him.
It feels actually pretty nice.
Our guy's got some nice claws on him, as you can see. Trying to wave him, scare us.
Hi!
So that's a crawdad, guys. I'm gonna toss him back in here.
No, can I? No, you do it. No.
Okay. Seems like about as big as they get in this little lake here. Too cool.
He's swimming.
We're here at an overlook of Wawayanda Lake. So we saw a snake. Our adventure is not complete until we catch one.
Subscribe and hit the bell, and subscribe and like and subscribe and hit the bell and just bye.
Keep hitting it all, right?